How to get unbanned on Omegle on an iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned on Omegle on an iPhone. First of all, open up Google and search here Omegle. Then click to open its site. Once you get into Omegle, scroll down and click on Terms of Service. After clicking on Terms of Service, it will take you to the details of Terms of Service. From this page, scroll down and then click on feedback@omegle.com. It will take you to your Gmail, from where you can send your feedback to them. Once you're here, you need to type the subject as account banned, and then you can describe your problem. After all of this, tap to send your mail in order to submit your feedback. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.